Here are some ways to reduce noise on a microphone in Windows 7. 1. Check the sound settings. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. 2. Disable audio enhancements. Select the microphone you are troubleshooting in the sound window, then click Properties. 3. Restart audio services. Update or roll back the sound driver from Device Manager. 4. Adjust microphone settings. Improper gain settings can cause unwanted noises. 5. Use a noise-cancelling app. Noise Blocker is a Windows app that pre-records sounds you want removed during calls or streams. 6. Use a quality headset. Using speakers can create a howling sound. And 7. System Restore. This Windows tool protects and repairs the operating system. You can also try these tips to reduce background noise. 1. Close windows and move away from air vents. 2. Go to a less noisy room. 3. Close applications that cause your laptop's fans to whir. 4. Move your microphone farther away from your mouth. 5. Use a sturdy mic stand. 6. Use pop filters to block out plosives. 7. Use clean electrical sources. 8. Record in the quietest room in your house. 9. Check your plugs. And 10. Watch your gain levels.